Welcome back to the Hollis Urban Garden. Many blessings to you all. These are the quail. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt your ear. I was just showing the people. So you see how her feathers are gone? It's from molting and mating. It kind of gets cold in the basement. I was going to give them heat, but I'm like, they're fine. And they are. Excuse the cage. It's been 3 days. This is my 3-day cleaning. I use hamster water bottles because this suction thing did not work out. Those cups that were provided did not work out. So, yeah. Excuse me. But these are the 6. There's one down here. Enjoying life. And they're giving, oh, sorry about the camera. And they're giving off eggs. They're giving out eggs. Look at that. I have more in my pocket. I just had already put them in my pocket. I had already cleaned theirs. These are the other ones. They've gotten so big. There's 11 in here. I just cleaned theirs, so that's their shavings are new because I just cleaned theirs. Nice and clean. Yes, they love this little home, but they're not pets. So this is just the brooder, and I'm gonna get more cages like this. One big cage like this from Manola Ranch. I was about to say Winona Ryder. That is hilarious. But so them, I think I'm just gonna keep them for eggs. I'm not going to use their eggs to what I want to say. I'm not going to use their eggs to increase my flock. I'm going to use theirs because they seem way more calmer. And it could be the environment, so we'll see. It could be because they're in this hutch. This is a rabbit hutch. It could be because they're in this little home and have places to hide. And they don't. They're finicky. They have more feathers gone. It is, I think 3 and 3 or 4 and 2. Yeah, there's 4 females in here, the 2 males. They sometimes fight, but it's not really bad. But they have their favorite girl in here, which is right there. The favorite girl. So I'm going to go because I hear my baby. She's not happy at all. Like, share, subscribe, and most importantly, grow. Many blessings.